Today we are going to learn about what is compound entry. What is compound entry? Sometimes a number of transactions relating to one particular account of similar nature take place on the same day. That means the same nature of transactions happened in the same day. We can put these entries into one single journal entry instead of several journal entries. That single journal entry, by passing several journal entries, is known as compound entry. That is the transaction having the similar nature that will happen on the same day. For example, we can understand the compound entry with the help of an example. That is, Manoj started business with rupees 10,000. Manoj, the proprietor's name is known as Manoj. Manoj started business with cash rupees 10,000. Manoj started business with the cash rupees 10,000. Bank balance rupees 20,000. Stock of goods rupees 15,000. Stock of goods rupees 15,000. And furniture rupees 5,000. Furniture rupees 5,000. This will happen on 1st January 2019. 1st January 2019, Manoj, the proprietor or the owner, started business with rupees 10,000. Bank balance rupees 20,000. Stock of goods rupees 15,000 and furniture rupees 5,000. These all are same transaction and happened on the same day. So we can write the journal entry as, we can write that the entry as what is Manoj started business with the cash. That is, what is the entry? Cash account debtor, capital account. Cash account debtor, capital account. Rupees 10,000. Cash account debtor, capital account, rupees 10,000. Then for bank account, for opening bank account, he will bring bank in the form of capital. Therefore, bank account debtor 20,000. Capital account, bank account debtor, capital account 20,000. Bank account debtor, capital account debtor 20,000. Then stock of goods. What is the entry? Stock of goods. Stock account debtor 15,000. Capital account same amount, that is 15,000. Then furniture, he also bought furniture for the business. Furniture account debtor 5,000. Furniture account debtor 5,000 to capital account same amount 5,000. That means Manoj brought so many items, that is so many items as capital, that is in the form of cash, in the form of bank account, in the form of stock and in the form of furniture. These all items he brought in the business unit as capital. That's why we can pass these entries are First entry, cash account debtor, capital account. Second entry, bank account debtor for opening the bank balance on the same day. Bank account debtor, capital account. And he also brought some goods for the business unit. Therefore, stock account debtor, capital account. Then furniture account debtor, capital account. Instead of passing these 4 journal entries, we can write these items into one single entry. That is known as compound entry. So, how we can write the compound entry? How we will write the compound entry? That is, first, cash account debtor. How much amount? 10,000 rupees. Cash account debtor, 10,000 rupees. Then bank account debtor, 20,000 rupees. Then stock account debtor, 15,000 rupees. Furniture account debtor, 5,000. To capital account, 10,000 plus 20,000, 30,000. 30,000 plus 15,000, 45,000 plus 5,000, 50,000. What is the narration? Business started with the cash, bank, stock and furniture. This is an example for which entry? Compound entry. We can understand compound entry by using this simple example. Manoj, the proprietor, started business with the cash rupees 10,000, bank balance 20,000, stock of goods rupees 15,000 and furniture 5,000. Manoj brought these 4 items into the business unit for starting the business. Okay, then for bringing the cash, what is the entry? Cash account debtor, capital, because cash is brought in the business unit as capital. Likewise, he also brought in some more items, that is bank, stock and furniture. So, we can pass these journal entries on the same day. Which day? 1st January 9, 2019. So, instead of passing these 4 journal entries, we can pass one single entry like this. That is, debiting all items firstly, and corresponding credit is given all the total of the debit amount. That is 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 15,000 plus 5,000, that is equal to 50,000. This is known as a compound entry. Thus, we can say that what is a compound entry? Compound entries are those entries passed on a particular date with more than one debit or more than one credit, or with both. Either more than one debit or more than one credit, or both, when a number of transactions relating to one particular account of similar nature take place on the same day. Okay, it helps to save space and time. Thank you.